Thanks for hitting that thumbs up button, everybody. I haven't been watching. We got 6 thumbs up now. You're a good girl, Raven. There. Yes, here you go. Get your ears rubbed. Yeah, yeah. He was just drooling while he watched. Good girl. Yeah, Moose is the goofball for sure. This wood box is the best. They love hopping up on this. It gives them a little perch above the yard. I thought about putting a dog bed out here, but last time they had dog beds on the back porch here, they didn't last very long. There was stuffing everywhere. But they do like hopping up off the ground. Or getting into the ground, digging these holes. But no new holes since I filled those other holes in. Just the big one. Mikkel, hi. How are you? Thanks for stopping by. Say hi, Raven. I hear Moose barking. Cool, yeah. Share with everybody. The more the better. Hope she's doing okay. Hope the hospital isn't too serious. You hear Moose? I know, it's time for dinner soon. Let's hang outside for a little while longer. Oh, you gonna look inside? See what Moose is doing? What's up, Raven? You look like you want to go in, don't you? Look how long your tongue is right now. Alright, Raven's knocking. That means it must be dinner time. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Alright, so we're gonna take a little break, have some dinner, and then I'll be back out with Moose. We'll wait till it gets dark and the tree frogs are out, then I'll come out with Moose. Thanks, yeah, we'll see you later. Thanks for stopping by, everybody.